Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi vinegar, only way. Combine rice vinegar, granulated sugar, and fine salt in a small saucepan. Warm gently until fully dissolved, then cool to room temperature. Do not boil. Taste and adjust sweetness or saltiness as needed. Keep the mixture covered until your rice is ready so flavors stay clean. Use a fan or gentle folding to cool and season rice evenly for best texture. Warm the vinegar mix just enough to dissolve the sugar and salt. This preserves bright acidity and prevents cooking the vinegar. Taste after cooling to ensure balance and tweak with teaspoon increments if needed. Remember, the rice will mute acidity, so aim for slightly brighter vinegar than you think ideal. Store extra sushi vinegar, refrigerated in a sealed container, and use within a few weeks for consistent results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're cozy while you prep rice. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. With the rice in a wide, shallow bowl, pour the cooled sushi vinegar over the surface while gently slicing and folding with a wooden paddle or spatula. Turn the rice as you fan it to evaporate excess moisture and create a glossy finish. Avoid overworking the rice to keep distinct, slightly sticky grains. Taste a small portion and adjust future batches by changing the vinegar, sugar, or salt ratios for your preferred balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.